Privacy concerns for AltoMaxx Technologies is paramount. We want to protect not only the public, but we also want to ensure our clients know that we will not be sharing any of their data with anyone else.
We work with our customers, with their communications team, and with their internal policies to make sure that the data is secure and it goes from us to them and no one in between, so there are no data breaches.
We make sure that all the data are encrypted after delivering the data to them. If they wish our copies to be destroyed, we provide them with destruction certificates.
All of our relationships start off with a non-disclosure agreement. And the NDAs, they protect both of us because there's a lot of technology that we have and our processes more than anything that we want to protect. And at the same time, we don't want to share any of our customers' information to any of their competition. It's mutually beneficial.